You're starting to notice either some drywall cracks showing up in your house, maybe some doors that are sticking. Question you're probably asking yourself right now is, what did I do wrong? And the honest answer is probably nothing. I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair. I've done hundreds, if not thousands, of inspections by now in the Brazos Valley area. From all these inspections, I'm familiar with the many questions homeowners have when it comes to foundation issues with their homes and can answer this for you. In our area, foundation movement is incredibly common. It has a lot less to do with the house itself and more about what soil is underneath it. The soil here naturally expands when it gets wet and shrinks out whenever it gets dry. And that is a cycle that is constantly happening throughout the years here in the Bryan-College Station area, especially with the kind of weather swings that we see when we go super wet, super dry. Over time, that expansion and contraction puts stress on your home's foundation. It's not a sudden event that happens just like boom. It's something that's been happening most likely for years, but eventually that stress shows up as drywall cracks, doors not closing right, and possibly some floors that feel a little bit uneven. And here's the key takeaway. This is something that's predictable. It's not unusual at all, and it doesn't mean your home is failing. It just means that your home is responding to the environment that it's built in. The goal isn't to panic. It's to completely understand what's happening specifically at your home and to decide, if anything, what you should be doing to repair your home's foundation.